Crochet Tutorials by Miarti. How to crochet a chain of 221 stitches easy foundation. Crochet chain ring connection to join the round neatly. Double crochet foundation row tutorial working each stitch around. Crochet round closure method joining with a slip stitch. Back post half double crochet row 1 instructions for ribbing. Crochet 15 chain stitches for the loop pattern setup. Back post half double crochet stitch technique into 15th chain. Back post half double crochet alternating pattern instructions. Crochet slip stitch round connection guide for beginners. Crochet row 2 turning chain setup and stitch tutorial. Crochet post stitches placement instructions following the texture. Half double crochet stitches tutorial working into chain spaces. Crochet round joining technique for seamless garment assembly. Crochet row alternation guide making 2 turning chains. Crochet loop pattern completion joining the final round. How to braid crochet loops into a cable pattern. Crochet yarn threading technique and tying secure knots. Half double crochet stitch row tutorial working each stitch around. How to crochet through both arches working 2 stitches together. Crochet slip stitch connection method for round finishes. Crochet turning chain setup for the next texture row. Front post and back post half double crochet ribbing. Crochet ribbing border pattern repeat to desired width. How to turn a beanie inside out and tie yarn ends. Crochet row 1 slip stitch setup for the beanie crown. Back post half double crochet row tutorial working each stitch. Crochet crown shaping technique up to the loop tops. Crochet round decrease tutorial using double crochet together method. Crochet HDC 2 tog decrease instructions pulling through 3 loops. Half double crochet stitch through loops for crown closing. Crochet yarn cutting and finishing round connection method. How to close a beanie top threading yarn with a needle. How to sew a beanie secure closing the top crown. Single crochet stitch around finger wrapped yarn ring method. Crochet button cover pattern until center hole is covered. How to sew on a button to finish the crochet beanie.